Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to factory reset the Honor Watch X5i using the system settings on it. First, wake up the screen by pressing the button, then unlock it by entering the PIN. Once unlocked, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through, look for the settings icon, and tap it. Look for the option called System, select it, then select Reset, tap Reset, and tap the check mark to confirm. Wait until the resetting process completes, which takes a few seconds. Once you see the list of languages on the screen, the reset is complete. That's how you factory reset this watch using the system settings. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.